English can be very confusing at times. Similarly spelled words, similarly sounding words, but with completely different meaning can be baffling for anyone. This video segment, I wanted to share the difference between quiet, Q-U-I-E-T versus Q-U-I-T-E. Quiet is, as you already know, it's a common word, means silence, lack of noise, and a peaceful situation. It's primarily an adjective but can also be used as a verb and as a noun, right? As an adjective, the children are very quiet. Let's see what they're up to. As a verb, we need to quiet down, the lectures are beginning. As a noun, uh, the loud thunder disturbed the quiet, right? So this is how, these are the three ways in which quiet is used in verbal and written communication. On the contrary, quiet means to a large degree, totally and completely, right? It was quite an event. It was quite a difficult examination for us to uh, appear for. It was quite scary. The ghost film was quite scary, right? So this is how quiet is used in conversations. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button next to my logo Beautiful Times, and stay tuned for more. Thank you and take care.